He broke up by message. She replied softly. He saw it. No answer. She types again, deletes again, tries many times, then stops herself. She cries all night. Morning comes, eyes swollen, sad reflection stares back. She reaches out once more, waits quietly, but nothing comes back again. Days pass slowly. She returns to work, routine and small daily moments. She stops reaching out, feels calm, and begins to understand her worth. She cooks dinner smiling, music playing softly, feeling like herself again. She spends time with family, laughs freely, and feels truly supported. If silence is the answer, choose yourself, walk forward, and never beg. If you like this story, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.